New plans for a GDPR replacement have divided Britain's tech sector. No Wi-Fi? No problem. The Traveler's Guide to eSIMs. Trump has no plans to participate in Manhattan grand jury probe, attorney says. Is this a banking crisis? What to know about the Silicon Valley Bank collapse? iPhone owners outraged over forced clean energy usage setting. Beware of rise in short-term vacation rental scams. What conversation can do for us? How America manufactures poverty. Touchpad blocker. Disable touchpad while typing.